Welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is object, how to create object in Salesforce. Object in Salesforce. Objects are database tables that permit to store data specific to an organization. There are two types of object, standard object and custom object. Standard objects, these are created by Salesforce to meet organizational CRM requirement. This cannot be deleted. For example, account, contact, opportunity, lead, case, etc. Custom object. Custom objects are created by the user as per organization business requirement. This can be deleted. For example, employee underscore underscore C payment underscore underscore C. Ways to create custom object. Objects created by us are called custom objects. Custom objects are objects that we create to store information that's specific to the company or industry. There are three ways to create custom object: standard way, schema builder, metadata SOAP API web services. Note: user whose customized application option is enabled can create object. Object level permission controlled at profile level. Custom object in classic mode. So for creating custom object in classic mode, first we have to go with setup, build, create, objects, new custom object. In step 1, enter object label. Step 2, enter plural label. Step 3, enter object name. Step 4, enter record name. Step 5, choose data type. Step 6, click on Save button. Example object, create custom object employee. Custom object in lightning mode. For this, we have to click on Setup, Platform Tools, Objects and Fields, Object Manager, Create Custom Object. Step 1, enter object label. Step 2, enter plural label. Step 3, enter object name. Step 4, enter record name. Step 5, choose data type. Step 6, click on Save button. Example object, create custom object payment. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we have to log into our Salesforce account. For that one, we have to type login.salesforce.com, then provide our username and password. So in classic mode, we have to create employee object, what we had seen in our PowerPoint presentation. So for that, we have to click on setup, then build, then create, then objects, then new custom object. In the first step, enter object label. We have to go for employee, provide the plural name of employee, provide the object name, that is employee, by default it's coming, and provide the record name, that is employee name, by default it's coming. Choose the data type. Here two data types are coming. First one is text and second one is auto number. Auto number we will see in lightning mode. We are going with text mode. Optional features: allow report, yes. Allow activities, yes. Track field history, yes. I'm not going with allow chatter group. See, this is for deployed radio button is checked. Allow search, check this button and click on save button. This object is created. employee underscore underscore C. This is the API name. Object is created by this name. How to see our objects is created? So for that one again we have to click on setup, then build, then create, then objects. See when object is coming, this is custom object employee. In employee management system we had created this object, and the second object payment we have to create in Lightning Experience. So for creating object in Lightning Experience, first we have to click on switch to Lightning Experience. At the right corner, this gear icon is setup. Click on setup, then go for platform tools. Left corner it's coming platform tools. Go for objects and fields. This one. Then choose object manager. On the right side, right corner, just click on create and drop down is coming. Here click on custom object. So in the first step, we have to provide custom object name. Here I am providing payment. Plural is payments. Start with vowel no. Object name payment. Record name payment name. Okay. Data type. Here I am going to choose auto number. While choosing the auto number, here display format is coming. See here example A hyphen in braces it's coming 4 times 0. You can make here anything but the format must be like this only. So for payment name PN, then I am providing hyphen, then in braces I am providing 4 times 0 and the starting number I am providing from 1. So how it's coming like pn hyphen in the braces 0001, from this one it is going to start. In the optional features it's coming allow report. I am checking this box, allow activities, track field history, and in deployment status I am going with deployed, allow search, I am allowing the search, and finally I am clicking on save button. So in this Lightning experience we had created this payment object. So in this session we had seen how to create object in classic mode and in Lightning experience. Thank you.